How to fix filters on TikTok not working. Let's jump right into the steps. You might be in a position where the TikToks in the filter is not working. So how to fix it? First off, you wanna go and tap on the plus sign in the bottom middle. That is from where you can record and post videos. Now to see the effect, you wanna tap on effects, which is on the bottom left corner beside shutter button. Sometimes the filter also may not work when you put the filter that is supposed to work on your face, but somehow your face is not appearing on the screen. For example, you choose this filter right there, but the fact that your face is not on the screen, this filter will not work. But if some other filters are not working, next thing what you need to do is you want to go ahead in the App Store and make sure the TikTok is updated. So you want to go to the home screen and open App Store on your phone. Then go to the search bar and search for TikTok. As you do that, this TikTok will appear and you want to go ahead and tap on it, and the blue thing right here says update. You want to go ahead and update it. After some time, when the TikTok is updated, try putting on the filter again, and if it still doesn't work, you want to go ahead and delete TikTok from your phone and then reinstall it from App Store. That is how you can fix filter on TikTok not working. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.